International Primary Science Class 2.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair. Assalamu alaikum. I am teacher Kaneez Bhatti from Multan Public School and College. Alhamdulillah, Multan Public School and College is one of the best schools.
Chapter number 2, Magnets. We shall discuss about different shapes and sizes of magnets and uses of magnets. Open your books to page number 27. Our main points of discussions are forms of magnet. There are two forms of magnets: natural magnets, artificial magnets. Artificial magnets are also known as man-made magnets. Magnets can be found naturally as well as can be made in labs. Natural magnets exist in the form of rocks. Artificial magnets are made out of iron or steel. Let's see different shapes of artificial magnets. Now speak up. Horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, ring magnet, ball-ended magnet, cylindrical magnet, bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, U-shaped magnet, horseshoe magnet, circular magnet or button magnet, ring magnet. Follow me. Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, needle magnet, cylindrical magnet, oval shaped magnet, ring magnet. Bar magnets are mostly used in classroom experiments. These magnets are used in finding directions. Uses of magnets. There are many toys that make use of magnets. As you know, bar magnets are mostly used in classroom experiments. Horseshoe magnets are used in magnetic cranes for lifting magnetic materials. Needle magnets are used in compass, which is used to find the direction. Now get ready for homework. Learn and write. Question number 1. Name some different shapes of magnets. Answer. Different shapes of magnets: bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, U-shaped magnet, ring magnet, button magnet. Wish you best of luck. Ameen. Thank you.